Dear students, today we are going to play a game on integers. Now understand, we are going to use two dice for playing. Please note, on the dice some faces are marked red and some faces are marked blue. This is red 1, this is blue 2, this is red 3, sorry, blue 3, blue 3. This is blue 6, blue 5. This is red 4, red 4. This is red 1, blue 2. This is blue 6. This is blue 5. Now blue indicates positive integers and red indicates negative integers. So I am having the dice on which I am having red 1 mark, positive 2, positive 3, red 4, positive 5 and positive 6. So these are the numbers which I am going to use while playing. Now when we throw these dice, we are going to get two faces upside. We are going to consider those upper faces, numbers on the upper faces. If I get negative 4 and positive 3, I am going to take the product of these two integers. So minus 4 into 3 is negative 12. So I am going to consider negative 12 while playing the game. If it is 3 into 2, then it will be positive 6. Please try to understand. While playing game, I am going to consider this positive 6. If both integers are negative, minus 4 and minus 1, then product will be 4. We are going to use this positive 4 integer while playing the game. I am going to play this game with Sanskar, and best of luck to Sanskar. Now please understand the rules. If it is negative, then you will be moving in the negative direction. If your product is positive, then you will be moving in positive direction. The person who reaches either positive 104 or negative 104 will be considered as winner. Sanskar is going to play with a red piece and I am going to play with blue piece. These are the caps of backside part of the pen. You can understand, these are the backside caps of the pen which we are going to use our pieces. So Sanskar is having red, Sanskar will be playing with red and I will be playing with blue. Let us try to play the game. Yes, Sanskar, it is your turn. 3, this is positive 3 and this is positive 5. So positive 5 into positive 3 is positive 15. So Sanskar have scored 15 points. So from 0 he will go to the positive direction and the score is 15. Now it's my turn. This is 4 into 1. This is red 4. Please understand, this is negative 4 into negative 1. Negative 4 into negative 1 is positive 4. So my score is 4. Now it is Sanskar's turn. 3 2s are 6. So Sanskar have scored 6 points and now he will be moving from 15 to 15 plus 6. 15 plus 6 is 21. Sanskar, 21. Now it's my turn. 6 2s are 12. I was at 4. 12 plus 4 is 16. So I will be at 16 position. Now it is Sanskar's turn. 6 4s are 24. Please understand, this is negative 4 and positive 6. So it is negative 24. Now he is at 21, positive 21 and negative 24. So he will move 24 places in backside direction. So 21 minus 24 is negative 3. Now 6, this is blue, this is also blue. So it is 6 3s are 18. I am at 16. 16 plus 18. 16 plus 18 is 34. So this will go at 34. Now Sanskar, it is your turn. Again Sanskar have scored 6 3s are 18. So he was already at negative 3. Negative 3 plus positive 18 is positive 15. 2 2s are 4. Position is 34. 30 plus 4 is 38. Now it is Sanskar's turn. Red 4, blue 3. It means negative 4 into positive 3. 4 3s are 12. This is negative 12. Negative 12. He is at 15. 15 minus 12 is positive 3. This is 6 4s are 24. 6 4s are 24. Now it is negative 24. I am at 38 position. 38 minus 24 is 14. So I will go to 14. Now it is Sanskar's turn. So Sanskar have scored 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. This is 5 into red 1. 5 ones are 5. But it is negative 5. So I will move 5 places backside. I am at 14. 14 minus 5 is 9. Now it is Sanskar's turn. 4 4s are 16. So but they are both are negative. Please understand. Negative 4 into negative 4 is positive 16. Positive 16 he is already at 12. 12 plus positive 16 is 28. So he will go to 28. Now this is negative 4 into negative 1. Negative 4 into negative 1 is positive 4. So I am at 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. 6 3s are 18. Now Sanskar is at 28. 28 plus 18. 28 plus 18. 28 plus 10 is 38. 38 and 38 plus 8 is 46. So you will go to 46. Now it's my turn. 6 2s are 12. So 13 plus 12 is 25. Now Sanskar, it is your turn. 4 4s are 16. Plus negative 4 into negative 4 is positive 16. He is already at 46. 46 plus 16. 46 plus 10 is 56. And 56 plus 6 is 62. Now it's my turn. 6 5s are 30. This is blue 5, blue 6. 6 5s are 30. So this is 25. 25 plus 30 is 55. It is Sanskar's turn. 5 3s are 15. Now Sanskar have scored 15 points. So from 62 he will go to 72, that is 10. 10 77. Now this is 4 3s are 12. Negative 12, please understand. It is negative 12. So I will move in backside direction. 55 minus 12. 55 minus 12 is 43. 43. Now it is Sanskar's turn. 6 3s are 18. So Sanskar have scored 18 points and he was at 77. So 77 plus 10 is 87. 87 plus 8 is 95. So Sanskar is at 95 and I am at 43. Now this is minus 1, this is plus 6. So minus 1 into plus 6 is negative 6. So again I will be moving 6 position backsides. This is 43. 43 minus 6 is 37. So I will go to 37. I am coming back. Savskar has scored, see, negative 4 into negative 4. Negative 4 into negative 4 is 16 and 95 plus 10 is 105 plus 6 will be 111. So please understand, he had scored 111 points. So Savskar has scored 11 points, means he had crossed this, he had crossed 104. So Savskar is the winner and let us all congratulate him for winning the match. Thank you.